Guys, this is Shantanu and Mahi, parent of Roach. Roach is with Happy Doggo since 15 days. Junior trainers are training him for leash walking, excitement control. They also had a problem that he is allergic to chicken, which we proved is he is not. But today I'm doing his first session, trying to help Roach parent understand what exactly is leash walking, how do we control our body, and at the same time how do we control our energy, and open up the communication between Roach and them, right? So we'll start.
Yep.
Yes. So अभी ये बैठा है, we'll be walking that way. If I walk, he will walk.
Huh.
It's as simple as that. If I stop, he will stop. The only thing you need to make yourself understand that you are the leader, you are the master. अगर मैं चल रहा हूँ तो उसका काम है मेरे साथ चलना. That's his job. If I am stopping, he has to stop. That's his job. Right? If I am turning, he should turn. That's his job.
Yeah.
Initially, while teaching, we will associate with actions, we will associate with commands, but eventually that should become an habit.
Yeah.
Right? So right now he is. I think the trainers have already taught him turn, stop, and everything. We will just see how better he is doing and where he is lacking.
Yeah.
तो सिंस अभी तक वो अपने साथ पुल कर रहा था, पुश कर रहा था, सो आई विल डू द फर्स्ट वॉक एंड प्लीज यू टेक ओवर द सेकंड वॉक.
Okay.
वॉक स्लो. अभी व्हाट इज दिस जर्किंग? Why am I constantly giving him a jerk, nudge, and this? Because if I pull him like this, he will pull me.
Huh.
So it's a natural reaction for a dog to pull something when it is going with his direction. With his direction मतलब अगर ये ऐसा pull कर रहा है और मैं उसके direction में जा रहा हूँ, that is very natural for dogs. जिसके लिए उन लोगों को पहले पुराने ज़माने में they would use him for crates, carriage pulling, sledge pulling. Golden retrievers were there to take ropes across a pond and everything, right? So that's a very natural. But when we are pulling up, it is completely unnatural. This is very unnatural. If you are pulling behind, it's very natural. If you are pulling up, it is very unnatural.
Yeah.
So we are trying to indicate him कि
He's
what,
uncomfortable when you are pulling up.
because he doesn't know what to do.
Yeah.
So this is not telling him not to do something.
Yeah.
This is just giving us a 5 minutes, not 5 minutes, a split second or 5 seconds opportunity of empty head. मैं ये किया, he like, what happened? What do I do? I like slow. Like okay, slow. Constantly I keep telling slow, 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 slow. He'll associate slow with walking at my pace, right? उसके बाद I don't have to do this. I just have to tell slow. So right now this is an opportunity for me to get his attention diverted from whatever he was paying attention to, and then bring it towards me. Sit के लिए we just keep pulling up, right? Because when the head is going up, the body will naturally go down.
Go down. Yes.
The reason we use sit is to make sure कि अभी मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ कि मेरा डॉग मेरे को ऐसा यहाँ वहाँ खींचे. I want him to sit like this.
Yes.
So every time he is gonna get up, as long as I am talking to you standing, I am just gonna pull up and leave it. So this is negative reinforcement. This falls under negative positive reinforcement method of training. So basically 4 method of training होते हैं: positive, negative positive and dominating.
Okay.
This comes under negative positive. This is negative, this is positive. Pulling is negative, this is positive. And never ever apart from sit you pull. Every time it is only nudges.
Okay.
कुछ भी करना है नज. नज का मतलब ये नहीं है कि भाई तू गलत कर रहा है. नज का मतलब ये है कि आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी है उसको गाइड करने का. वॉक स्लो. The target is this. But if as long as he is walking in front of me, he is thinking that he is leading.
Yeah.
Right? The easier way is put this behind. So जब भी leash आपको touch होगा पैर को, you know that he is ahead of you.
Yeah.
It's an easier way to manage the positioning. The ideal positioning is उसके कान आपके पैर के पास होने चाहिए या उसका शोल्डर आपके पैर के पास होना चाहिए. Heel walking में we usually consider shoulder. अभी उसका ध्यान वो डॉग पे जा रहा है.
Yes.
I know he'll pull me in that direction. I don't wait till there. I distract him now. No. No. So अगर so basically मेरा टाइमिंग थोड़ा गलत हुआ क्योंकि द मोमेंट हिज ईयर्स वेंट अप आई शुड हैव डिस्ट्रैक्टेड हिम. लेकिन आपको एक्सप्लेन करने में मेरा टाइमिंग थोड़ा गलत हुआ. आई आस्क रॉकी, बाय द वे द डॉग का नाम रॉकी है.
Okay.
1 second. We'll do that again. Riyaz! We'll do that again.
Yeah.
The moment his ears go up, his face goes up, his nose is looking in Rocky's direction, I will tell no.
Yes.
Okay? We'll try that. Slow. When you are on a walk, when you are with your dog, your 100% concentration has to be on dog. See? Now. Made it easier.
Yes.
I waited with 100% concentration कि जैसे उसका ये कान ऊपर आएगा, ये फेस ऐसा ऊपर जाएगा, I'll tell no. So basically I have killed his thinking process. If I don't kill his thinking process, then I have to do a physical battle with him. वो खींचेगा मैं रोकूंगा, वो खींचेगा मैं रोकूंगा. So always kill the thinking process. You are helping take a decision with you are helping your dog take a decision. Right? Now when वो मेरे हाथ से छूट गया, भाग गया, मेरी जगह रहते आप क्या करते?
I would have called him.
Called him?
और उसके पीछे भागा भी होता मैं.
Yes. So basically me as a leader, if I am talking to you, what is his job?
He needs to be here.
Be here.
Sitting beside us.
Right? Now he as a follower is disobedient and he ran away. Me as a leader, should I forget what I am doing and run behind him? Stop him? Stop talking to you and handle him? No, right? That's the reason I didn't react. उसको पता चलना चाहिए कि उसके लिए मैं यहाँ खड़ा नहीं हूँ. Right? He is here for me. As long as that energy keeps floating around, energy keeps floating around, he will slowly sink into it. अरे भाई मैं कुछ भी करे तो these people won't care. I only have to pay attention to it. Come here. Good. Now.
He came surprisingly.
Yeah. क्योंकि nobody gave second thoughts about he going away. अगर वही वो भागता है एंड सडनली मैं आपसे बात करना बंद कर देता या आप मेरे पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना बंद कर देते एंड वी वुड गो टुवर्ड्स हिम, इट्स लाइक ओके व्हेन दे आर टॉकिंग, इफ आई रन अवे दे विल कम बिहाइंड मी, आई कैन टेक द लीड.
Yes.
यहाँ पे पूरे अपने टीम मेंबर्स है.
Yes.
वो गया वहाँ पे, आई नो ही इज सेफ, आई डोंट हैव टू वरी.
Yeah.
If he is not safe, he is in a unsafe surrounding, let's say if it was a main road, then probably I would stop talking to you and go, because his safety is first priority.
Yes.
In a safe surrounding where he can take at least 20 to 30% risk of his safety, let him go. 100% safety, 100% precaution हमेशा ज़रूरी नहीं है, because he is gonna grow up to be an independent guy.
Yeah.
If not, he will always be a puppy and a baby for rest of his life.
Yes.
गया, देख लिया, कोई भी भाव नहीं दे रहे हैं, क्या करूं, ठीक है मेरे पेरेंट्स वहाँ हैं, विल गो देयर, आ गया. अगर वही अपन भागते तो दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी वुडंट हैव. द मोर ही पुल्स द लेस वी वॉक, द लेस ही पुल्स द मोर वी वॉक. अगर वो खींच रहा है, ही इज़ ट्राइंग टू टेल भाई मैं बोर हो रहा हूँ, मुझे वहाँ लेके जाओ, मुझे नहीं जाना है. उसका काम फॉलो करना है, उसका काम लीड करना नहीं है.
Yes.
राइट? सो ही शुड ऑलवेज अंडरस्टैंड, जब तक मेरे को बात करना है मैं करूँगा, जब तक मेरे को ठहरना है मैं ठहरूँगा, आपका काम बस मेरे बाजू बैठना है. सो व्हेनेवर यू आर स्टार्टिंग अ वॉक, मेक श्योर यू इमीडिएटली प्रोवाइड हिम द अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि ही इज़ नॉट सपोज टू गो फॉरवर्ड. सो आई डू फास्ट 3 jerks. 1 2 3.
Okay.
राइट?
At the start of the walk.
एट द स्टार्ट, गेट आपके घर के डोर के बाहर निकलने से पहले ये कर देना.
Okay.
As long as he is, you don't give him a precedent to follow, he will follow whatever he wants, or he will make you follow. here you are telling very clearly कि भाई you are not gonna go ahead of me at the start of the work. Slow. Slow. After 3 steps, once I say start, we will take 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, and we'll stop on the 4th.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, stop. Okay, तो आप लोग अपना स्टेप गिनिएगा. द थर्ड स्टेप पे मैं स्टॉप बोल के मैं रुक जाऊंगा टू मेक हिम अंडरस्टैंड दैट ही इज ऑल्सो सपोज टू स्टॉप. सो बेसिकली आई लीड, ही फॉलोज. देयर वाज अ वेरी गुड ओल्ड सेइंग, thou shall lead, I shall follow, I shall lead, thou shall follow.
Yeah.
So in his case scenario, it's always I shall lead, thou shall follow.
Yeah.
This is all old English scriptures. Roach. No. We'll try it once.
Yeah.
Start. 1, 2, 3, stop. I didn't pull. Right? Now turn. We say turn. We turn around and we start walking. Turn. ये एक्सरसाइज से होता क्या है, वी कीप डूइंग दिस रैंडमली, सो ही विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट माई अटेंशन शुड ऑलवेज बी ऑन माई पेरेंट्स.
Yes.
इफ इट इज नॉट ऑन माई पेरेंट्स, दे विल गो ऑफ समवेयर एंड आई विल गेट लॉस्ट.
Yeah.
ठीक है. सो अगेन वी आर गोना डू स्टॉप. सो व्हेन आई से स्टार्ट, 3 स्टेप्स एंड स्टॉप. स्टार्ट. स्टॉप. Walk. Start. Stop. Good boy. Okay.
Yes.
And for rewards, we are not going to use any reward apart from good boy and touching him like this. So when we give, we touch him, we are already rewarding him. If I do this, he'll get excited.
Yes.
If I do this, he'll like, okay, it's a reward. So whenever you want to reward your dog, don't pamper excessively. This is bad. Your pampering should always be slow, steady, and even paced. If you are doing it even paced, slow, and it has to be hard. This way it actually is appreciation. If you keep doing this very fast,
This is my habit. This is
Yeah.
my habit.
you do that only at play,
Okay.
where you want your dog to play and get excited. Apart from that, in general, it is only 1 or 2 pats like this. That's it. This is gonna calm your dog down. It's gonna make him attentive. This is gonna make his brain run fast and excited.
Yeah.
So, calm. ठीक है? Walk. Start. Stop.
Yes.
Turn. This is the difference.
Surprisingly.
Right?
अभी
Within
10
a
मिनट पहले he was a different dog.
completely a different dog, cause 10 मिनट पहले उसको क्लियरली बोला नहीं गया था कि उसके एक्सपेक्ट क्या किया जा रहा है. राइट? अभी वहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक मल्टीपल टाइम्स आई हैव टोल्ड हिम व्हाट आई एक्सपेक्ट आउट ऑफ हिम. नाउ आई डोंट हैव टू जर्क हिम. नाउ आई डोंट हैव टू टेल हिम नो फॉर थिंग्स विच ही इज नेचुरली सपोज टू डू. राइट? अभी वो खींच रहा है, मैं एक फिंगर से पकड़ा हूँ, इससे ज़्यादा वो मैं वो खींचेगा ही नहीं. Because he is understood that I am communicating with him.
Yes.
Right? What he is trying to do is communicate with me. His method of communication is something I don't appreciate, but it's still okay. Slow. We'll do stop again. Start. Stop. Turn. This time we are not going to do stop, we are going to do a direct turn.
Okay.
So when I say start, we take 3 steps and turn automatically without giving the command turn.
Okay.
ठीक है? Start. He is coming into the habit.
Yeah.
Now this is introduction. We are introducing new vocabulary and new words which has been taught to him from past 15 days. That means around 10 sessions minimum he has gone through this vocabulary.
Yes.
But the association of responsibility will never come as long as you are always guiding him to turn. Right now I am guiding him to turn by telling turn.
Yes.
राइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी वहाँ पे काउस बफेलोज है, राइट. दिस इज समथिंग विच attracts them. If I start thinking about them, he starts thinking about them,
Okay.
right? I walk normally, calmly, peacefully, without giving even 1% thought to those animals. He will stop giving thought to those animals. वरना if you are thinking अरे वो वहाँ पे है, देखते हैं इन्हें क्या करता है,
हाँ.
क्या करना है देख के. This is one very important thing. Never test your dog.
हाँ.
Let's see what he will do. No, we are never gonna see what he is gonna do. Stop. Never gonna see what he is gonna do. We are always gonna tell him what to do. We as curious pet parents, first time pet parents, what we happen to do is अपन बार बार देखना चाहते हैं कि हमारा डॉग करता क्या है. Let's see कैसा रिएक्ट करेगा. That first reaction is setting the foundation for the same reaction for rest of his life. If his first reaction is guided by us, वो है and I am guiding him कि ये आए जब you walk calmly with me, that is the foundation for rest of his life. तो कभी टेस्ट मत करो. रेस्टोरेंट जा रहे हो,
मेरी ये जो डॉग्स चेस करने की इसकी आदत है ना,
हम्म.
इट इज़ इंड्यूस्ड फ्रॉम मी, क्योंकि मैंने इसको शुरुआत में ही वॉज लिटिल, तो हमारे मतलब सोसाइटी में देर आर स्ट्रीट डॉग्स, तो मैंने 3-4 बार इसको भगाया उसके पीछे कि चलो दौड़े इसके पीछे, तो इसके साथ मैं भी दौड़ा हूँ उसके पीछे, और इसने 4 दिन में वो हैबिट ले ली.
हाँ. फर्स्ट टाइम में उसको समझ नहीं आया था क्योंकि एट दैट एज ही इज अ ब्लैंक स्लेट. नाउ यू पुट हिम इन अ सिचुएशन एंड यू टोल्ड हिम ये सिचुएशन में तो खाली उन लोगों के पीछे भागेगा. हो गया. अब उससे 10 महीने 11 महीने से आप उसको बस वही हैबिट डेवलप करें. तो बेसिकली यू हैव रिटन द रॉन्ग कोड इन द सिस्टम एंड वो बग अभी जाके आपको सता रहा है.
यस यस
ठीक है. सो लाइक यू आर प्लानिंग फॉर अनदर डॉग, राइट?
यस
प्लीज रिमेंबर ऑल दिस,
यस
right?
डेफिनेटली.
It will help you a lot. So अभी से we'll go that side and who one of you please.